Mastering Prime Rib, a guide to basting.
Hello, cooking enthusiasts. Today we're discussing one of the true classics of the dinner table, prime rib. And not just any prime rib, but the perfectly basted, mouth-wateringly juicy prime rib that will make your guests come back for seconds. The question of the day is, how often should I baste my prime rib when cooking at 225 degrees Fahrenheit?
Why baste prime rib?
Basting is a cooking technique that involves repeatedly coating the surface of the meat with cooking juices, fat, or another liquid. This process helps to keep the meat moist and add flavor during the cooking process. For prime rib, which is naturally a flavorful and juicy cut of meat, basting is primarily used to enhance the flavor and create a mouth-watering crust on the outside.
How often should I baste?
Now, onto the main question. How often should you baste your prime rib? If you're cooking your prime rib at a low temperature of 225 degrees Fahrenheit, a good rule of thumb is to baste it every 30 to 45 minutes. This is because at this low cooking temperature, the meat will cook slowly and the juices will not evaporate quickly. Remember, you don't want to open the oven door too frequently as this can cause the oven temperature to fluctuate, leading to uneven cooking. Also, too much basting might wash away the seasoning on the surface of the prime rib, so there's no need to overdo it.
What should I baste with?
A simple and popular choice for basting a prime rib is with its own juices. As the meat roasts, it will release flavorful juices that are perfect for basting. Some cooks also like to use butter, wine, or broth to baste their prime rib. These can add additional flavors and help to create a fantastic crust. But remember, the star of the show is the prime rib itself, so any basting liquid should complement, not overpower, its natural flavor. So, there you have it. If you're cooking prime rib at 225 degrees Fahrenheit, aim to baste your meat every 30 to 45 minutes to maximize flavor and maintain moisture. Remember, the goal of basting is to enhance the natural deliciousness of the prime rib, not to steal the show. Happy cooking, and here's to a prime rib that's truly prime.